Tama na to. Okay, good morning everyone. And in behalf of Balibulista di Davao and through the initiative of our board member from Balibulista also as well, Coach Coco, gina-welcome na mo tanang young athletes karon na nag-participate, and we are so honored na naging part mo aning event sa Balibulista di Davao. And then to our parents and coaches, also to the trainers and supporters, nagpasalamat me for nurturing these young athletes, for them to mas makaila pa nila ilahang sarili towards the game. And then of course, before we start the game, we would like also to remind all the players to have the sportsmanship and then the fair play of loving this game. So let's enjoy the game, and we welcome you all here at Balibulista Davao Volleyball League. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Coach.